Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and app are current. This avoids hidden errors. Once updated, open Google Pay and go straight to your profile or the QR code section. You need the QR screen visible because the app sometimes stores display name there. Make sure you can edit payment profile details. If the option is grayed out, sign out and back in, or restart the app. This initial step ensures you have the correct access to change the displayed name. Now you edit the actual display name shown on the QR. Tap the QR code, then the Edit or Settings icon. Google Pay groups identity fields under Profile or Payments profile. Change the display name to what you want. Keep it concise so it fits on the QR card. Once you save, the app may regenerate the QR automatically. If not, use the Regenerate or Refresh button. This step updates the visible label other users see when scanning your code. Finish by verifying the change. Scan your new QR code with another device to confirm the updated name appears. If the name didn't update, clear the app cache, force close and reopen Google Pay, then sign out and sign back in. These actions refresh cached profile data. Make sure the app has network access when saving changes. If the display still won't change after these steps, contact Google Pay support so they can check account-level settings or propagation delays. This usually resolves persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.